Welcome to our composting channel today, where we're going to explore how to use old cardboard boxes to give your soil a new lease on life. This method has been shown to be up to 6 times more effective than regular store-bought fertilizers. Before we dive in, we need to understand a serious little problem called fertilizer-dependent plant syndrome. Overusing chemical fertilizers for too long essentially makes our friendly soil microbes a bit lazy. As a result, the soil gradually packs down, loses its rich color, and completely forgets how to heal itself. Once that underground ecosystem breaks down, your plants become more and more dependent on those harsh chemicals. To fix this issue from the ground up, we need a natural, sustainable solution that stands the test of time. That's where cardboard comes in as an absolute lifesaver, packing a wonderful punch of carbon for your soil. When you combine this carbon energy with the nitrogen from fresh green grass, a little backyard miracle happens. This perfect match triggers a wonderful population boom for all those beneficial microbes down below. What's really neat is that the glue holding those cardboard layers together is usually made from cornstarch or cassava starch. This natural ingredient turns out to be an absolute favorite treat for the fungi living in your soil. The local fungi and bacteria will quickly break down this glue, turning it into precious nutrients for your garden. Now let's walk through the simple 4-step process to get this working in your own yard. The first and most important step is making sure you strip that cardboard completely clean. Take your time to peel away all the plastic tape, metal staples, and shipping labels from the surface. You'll want to stick with plain brown cardboard to keep things completely safe for your soil. Be sure to steer clear of anything with bright, colorful inks or a shiny, glossy plastic coating on top. The chemicals from those inks and plastics can actually harm your helpful microbial community. Once everything is nice and clean, we move on to step 2, which is giving the cardboard a good, thorough soaking. You'll want to hose it down or soak it until it's as soft and pliable as a wet towel. This helps break the surface tension, allowing the cardboard to break down much faster in the elements. If you lay it down dry, it will actually pull moisture right out of the ground and stress your young plant roots. The water causes the cellulose fibers to swell up, making it nice and easy for the good bacteria to move right in. Once the cardboard is completely saturated, we move to step 3, smothering those stubborn weeds. You just lay these wet sheets directly over the grass and weeds, no back-breaking weeding required. The golden rule here is to overlap the edges of your cardboard by at least 6 inches. This tight overlap creates a perfect barrier that completely shuts out the sunlight. Without that sunshine, the weeds underneath can't photosynthesize and will gently wither away. The remains of those old weeds will then naturally transform into a wonderful green manure for your garden. This trick saves you a tremendous amount of time and effort compared to traditional weeding. Best of all, the soil structure underneath stays completely undisturbed, keeping the natural ecosystem intact. Finally, we reach step 4, which is all about camouflaging your new garden bed. Go ahead and top it off with about a 2-inch layer of straw, rice hulls, or dry leaves. This organic topping creates a beautiful multi-layered sandwich effect in your garden. It acts just like a cozy blanket, keeping the moisture levels nice and steady across the whole plot. At the same time, this cover protects your underground helpers from the harsh summer sun. With the temperature and moisture sitting at just the right levels, the decomposition process works like a charm. Earthworms will be drawn to this cool, inviting environment and start making their way up to the surface. They'll tunnel through and digest the cardboard, turning it into rich, nutrient-dense castings. The non-stop work of these earthworms creates countless tiny tunnels deep into the soil. These little pathways allow fresh air and water to flow effortlessly right down to your plant's roots. In just about 4 to 6 weeks, you're going to notice a truly magical transformation. When you gently pull back that top mulch, you'll see the cardboard has almost completely vanished. In its place, you'll find a fresh layer of dark, crumbly soil that's absolutely teeming with life. The quality of this soil is so rich and nutrient-dense, it rivals the leaf mold found on a pristine forest floor. Your plant roots can now easily reach deep down to drink up clean water and rich minerals. You won't have to spend your hard-earned money on those pricey and harmful chemical fertilizers anymore. This clever cardboard method doesn't just improve your garden, it does a wonderful turn for Mother Nature too. We're recycling a mountain of paper waste right at home, instead of sending it off to a crowded landfill. This small step by each of us can make a truly wonderful impact on our shared environment. Just imagine how lush and vibrant your garden is going to look a few short months from now. Your fresh vegetable beds will thrive, bringing incredibly safe and healthy food straight to your table. Bright patches of flowers will burst into bloom, welcoming bees and butterflies to pollinate your little sanctuary. That is the absolute best reward Mother Nature gives back to devoted gardeners. You can easily use this exact same approach for small potted plants on your balcony or patio too. Just tear the cardboard into smaller pieces and follow the same 4 basic steps we talked about. The soil in your pots will never turn hard, dry, or nutrient-starved like it used to. Just a quick tip. Remember to water it regularly during those first few weeks to help the cardboard break down. Keeping that moisture steady is truly the secret ingredient to making this method a success. Be patient, step back, and let the natural world do what it does best. Nature has a beautiful way of healing itself, and there's so much we can learn from it. By working with and respecting these natural rhythms, you'll become a truly wise caretaker of your land. Thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time with us today and supporting the channel. If you found this information helpful, please feel free to share it with your friends and neighbors. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next fun gardening tips. Take care, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video, right here on our composting channel.